Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I wanted to come and show you a brief tutorial on how to put together the easel that is part of the Spellbinders Florals Through the Year BetterPress release. And they have an easel so that you can, the idea is that you have like a desk calendar, and the press plates are one for every month, and you have like a little sheet and you would display that, on an easel on your desk. Spellbinders did send me this easel set, and when I received it I was kind of like, I don't know, because I just have I don't even have the packaging for when it goes out to the store. So I went online and I looked around and I looked at the pictures and everything, and I figured out how we can get this put together. So I just wanted to let you know in case you were confused, so you would have a place to go to figure it out. So anyway, so you get two pieces and they have score lines on them. And then there's this little piece that is the cross piece down here. So what I'm going to actually do, you want to, you have your finished nice outside, right? So we're going to put these on top of each other. So I'm going to put a, I'm just going to use the 1/4 inch tape. Let me see. Actually, I'm going to use the 3/8 tape, because this is a little bit wider here. And I'm just going to put that along here. And then on this one, I'm just going to try to cut a little square. Okay, put that on there. And this one also has, you can see the little score line there. Okay, so this one you would fold towards the back. You just want to make sure that that lines up. So this is going to be the cross piece. Pardon me. There's a frog in my throat. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to use my handy dandy Scor-Buddy to line this up here. Okay. Those a good burnish. So then we can open this up along that score line. Okay. And we want to add this brace piece in here. So I'm going to line this up with the opening on here. Okay. And then I'm going to bring this over and line it up with the opening on that side. So now we have our cool little easel, and you can put your calendar on there, or you could put a card. And this is one of the BetterPress plates that is in this collection. This is the Morning Glories set, and I heard that this is strong enough to hold a phone. Woo! So if you need a display, this would be a really easy and customizable, because you could change whatever. You can make a bunch of these, all different colors, and use them if you need to display your cards or things like that. So anyway, I hope this little mini tutorial has been helpful for you, and helps you out if you end up getting the little easel purchase to go with the florals through the year. I'll link everything that I showed today in the description box, and they are affiliate links, which means that if you click on my links and make a purchase, I might make a small commission from that at absolutely no charge to you. And I appreciate you shopping through my links. Join me over on Facebook, where I post videos, cards, and crafty sales. And until, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And until next time, take care.